always bought personal development books and self-help books. And so when I got into the course, there's a huge amount of it where it's really looking within, and because you can't really hold space for someone if you're not aware of all of your stuff.
Yeah.
And to be able to really separate that and not project and just hold it's really important to hold a space of unconditional love and positive regard. So there's a lot of deep reflection in the course.
Wow,
And
that's huge because we're in in a society today where we don't have enough attention span. We're always, running around. We can't think. And so even when we're talking to people today, we've some people, I'm not saying that not all of us, because I don't, but and I assume you don't, is you're not running things, I can see when I've connected with someone and they're actually listening to me. But
yeah,
most people, like you can see straight away, they're just looking for the next thing on somebody else, and they don't really want to listen. So it's really it's a gift to have that, and it's not even a gift. You have to train yourself.
absolutely. It's actually one of the core components of the course. It's active listening. And it was really, it's been so helpful in all of my relationships to help me hold space for
Yeah,
my friends and family. Because I thought that I was a good listener and I thought that I held space well. But I realized that I would often jump in with, oh, I know what you mean. And then I'd go off on my story that was related to their story, and not really just letting them talk and just be there for them
yeah,
and not
yeah,
trying to fix it. And
yeah.
yeah, so it's been really helpful.
Well, that comes from holding space for that person